Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News channel. If you want to join me on my live streams every day except for Sunday, check out the links in the description and in the comments. So today's actual topic is going to be Bitcoin on Ethereum, and these are some hot new assets, or at least the projects that are actually trying to port a trustless bridge from Bitcoin to Ethereum are hot new assets. One example is Ren BTC. Ren BTC has skyrocketed in price since it actually has started to undertake this. So you might actually want to look out for companies or tokens that actually attempt to do this. Ren is one example. There's like TBTC and a bunch of these, and they can actually be used to collateralize MakerDAO, which would actually increase the demand for whatever company is actually porting the BTC to Ethereum. Now, the BTC to Ethereum is just going to be, a lot of them are just one-to-one BTC. So they're basically tied to Bitcoin. But the thing is, I'm going to explain why Bitcoin actually needs to be ported to Ethereum. And no, it's not really because of scalability. Sort of is, but Ethereum on the base level isn't really that much more scalable than Bitcoin on the base level. It's like maybe 2x, but it's really not that much. But the thing is, Bitcoin has no programmability or utility in the sense of programmability. And the easiest way for Bitcoin to actually achieve programmability is actually with a trustless bridge to Ethereum. So the thing is, right now, Bitcoin has not been able to generate any sort of programmable layer 2. And basically, their best bet for achieving programmability and utility as an asset without sacrificing the decentralization and censorship resistance is for a trustless bridge to Ethereum. There's no reason why Bitcoin could not find itself alongside Ether or DAI on Ethereum's most popular applications. Like Maker, Compound, Uniswap, DYDX, Kyber, Set. The trustless bridge mechanism will provide Bitcoin holders with levels of control and security that they need, with the incentive of earning percent interest on their BTC, and that's another huge thing. Doing this actually can get people to earn percent interest on their BTC, which would be very, very attractive to Bitcoin holders. And these tokens are a lot of times one-to-one with BTC, so you can always swap them directly to BTC. So I think this would be useful as an investment device, and also to get Bitcoin some programmability. So that's why it's really hot right now for projects to try to make wrapped Bitcoin tokens on Ethereum. And when they do, and they have a big announcement, their own token goes way up. For example, Ren. So I do think we should, if you're interested in cashing in on this, you should look at companies that are actually attempting to do this, that actually have good marketing. Because if they're attempting to do this and they have good marketing, their project gets really big. Their actual coin is going to go up in price as well. It'll probably right now, I'm seeing 2x, 3x. After a while, it'll probably be less than that. But the Bitcoin name still has a lot of power to generate FOMO and to generate a lot of interest in smaller coins that have this project. And also, it does provide utility by providing programmability and utilization for Bitcoin on Ethereum. So it kind of brings usability to both Bitcoin and popularity to Ethereum. So while it doesn't affect ETH price all that much, because ETH is a huge project, the individual tokens that actually try to wrap Bitcoin for these projects actually do spur up a lot. So that's another hot thing you could look for right now. I'm not really sure if it's going to be long term. Maybe it'll blow over in a few months or a year or so. But right now, what I'm seeing is if these things are workable and they don't have any bugs, generally the tokens that actually try to wrap Bitcoin actually go up quite a bit once the project is announced or once the project is successful. So you might want to do some research into Ethereum projects that are actually trying to wrap Bitcoin and see which ones the best ones are, when their release dates are, because when they come out, there is a good chance that you will actually make money and go up. For instance, Ren. So that is what I have to say for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe and hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.